Your life is like a train, but you already know that now. Let's talk a little bit about your relational car and some practices to help you support it. This train is moving successfully down the tracks. All the cars are pulling their load. They're all healthy, doing what they're supposed to do. They're all linked together, supporting each other, and they're all on the same track, moving down the same direction. And that's what we want for the trains, cars in our life. And here are the 6 train cars in my life and in yours. Hi, my name is Marcia Denton, and I'm the owner of Mima Wisdom Coaching. And these 6 train cars are great when they're all working well, when they're all functioning together, and they're all moving down the same track at the same time. They help you achieve your goals. When they're not, they're on different tracks, or they're doing different things, or they're having their own issues, or they're not healthy in some way, then they're going to be more of an impediment to you than they are anything else. So today, let's talk about your relational car, and let's talk about how you can support your relational car. First of all, here's a list of activities that you can do. Again, the link at the bottom. As always, we share our research links. Take time to get to know yourself. Join in with a clever organization, participate in study groups, make an effort to stay in touch with family, friends, and mentors. That proved to be a whole new strategy in 2020. Lots of great stories on the news and in the media, social media, about people finding ways to connect and see each other and still be safe and socially distance. Volunteer, maintain balance between work and social time. And I want to really encourage you to think about that last one, maintain balance between work and social time. I can be a workaholic. I admit it full force. But I'm a much better worker, higher productivity, when I'm also having some downtime and relaxing and spending time with people I love and care about. So I want to encourage you to have some balance there for yourself. There's also a list of recommended books on relational health. I found this list really interesting. Some of the books I knew, some of them I didn't, but I wanted to pass it along to you. It seemed like a quality resource that I wanted to share with you. You know, I want you to get all 6 of your cars to a healthy state, link them together so that they can help you get down the track of your life in 2021 and achieve the goals and the locations, move to the locations that you want to move to. To help you do that, we've created a free resource. Click on the link in the post and download that resource so that you can do an assessment of the 8 cars in your train. That resource will help you look at how do you do that assessment, what do you do with it once you finish, how do you move those cars forward. And then through January, we're putting these free posts out on LinkedIn and Facebook to give you more information about each of those 6 cars. So maybe there's some new information here you can think, oh, I hadn't thought about that before. Maybe that's a way I can improve my relational car. And your relational car is part of your life, whether you're an extrovert or an introvert. We all have relationships. So there's no judgment on how many relationships. I like 40 million and they're all surface, or I like 3 and they're all deep. That's fine. Do what works for you. But it's important to take a health check of the relationships in your life and make sure that they're helping you to be who you want to be and get to where you want to go. And that you're serving those people that you're in relationship with to help them achieve those 2 things as well. Download the free resource. Email in the post as well in case you have questions. And let us know what your success stories are. We'd love to hear about them. Here's to your success in 2021.